Buying furniture online, pros and cons. Online shopping has become increasingly popular in recent years, and buying furniture online is no exception. While there are many benefits to shopping for furniture online, there are also some drawbacks that need to be considered. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of buying furniture online. First, let's look at the pros. One of the biggest advantages of buying furniture online is convenience. You can shop from the comfort of your own home, at any time of the day or night, without having to leave the house. This is especially useful if you have a busy schedule or if you live far from any furniture stores. Another advantage is the wider selection of furniture available online. With just a few clicks, you can browse through thousands of different products from all around the world. This means you're more likely to find exactly what you're looking for, and at a better price than you might find in a physical store. Finally, buying furniture online can also be more eco-friendly than shopping in person. When you buy online, you're not contributing to the carbon emissions associated with driving to a store, and many online retailers use sustainable materials and practices to reduce their environmental impact. However, there are also some cons to consider. One of the biggest challenges with buying furniture online is that you can't see or touch the product before you buy it. This can make it difficult to know exactly what you're getting, especially when it comes to things like texture, color, and overall quality. Another issue is the potential for damage during shipping. Even with careful packaging, furniture can sometimes be damaged in transit, and it can be a hassle to return or exchange a damaged item. Finally, it's important to consider the potential for scams when shopping for furniture online. Always do your research before making a purchase, and be wary of deals that seem too good to be true. In conclusion, buying furniture online can be a convenient, eco-friendly, and cost-effective way to furnish your home. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully and to do your research before making any purchases.